Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be installing some locks, but these locks are crochet locks, but they're going to be wrapped at the roots, which makes them more secure and gives it more longevity. And this is my client. Look at the head of hair that she has. Oh my god, so nice, so thick, so full. I can't wait. Really, I cannot wait. So the hair that I'm using for today's look is actually by Sam Braid and it's on Amazon. I will leave the link below for you guys so you guys can see that specific store. The hair is pretty good. I like using this brand because it is, well made, sturdy, and it holds up to the style. All right, and we am also using some Outre twisted up springy twist hair. Yes, and this is important for the wrapping portion of the style, just to secure the locks and so that you can have more longevity in terms of the wear. Okay guys, so for step one in the process, all I'm doing is braiding her natural hair. Yeah, so I just start off by adding some product just to sleek down the roots of her hair, make it nice and smooth. And then I start off by doing a braid, and there's no need to braid it tightly. Understand that, because you're gonna go in and wrap the hair at the roots, so you want to make sure that you have a little bit of give so that it's not super tight once you're done. So once I braid about an inch or two down, then I'm gonna transition into a twist. If you find it easier or quicker to braid, then you can braid it all the way down, but for me, twisting it is quicker and easier. So once I braid it to secure it at the roots, then I just finish off with a twist. And we just continue by doing this very step all over her head. And then once I'm done braiding her full head, I will show you how it looks. Then we will move on to attaching the locks. All right. Okay guys, so now that everything is braided up, we're gonna start with the installation of the locks. So first I'm gonna take the springy hair, the afro hair, and cut it in half. All right, so we have this length working with. Oops. Yeah. All right, so we need a couple of things. We need our crochet tool, which is this, the crochet needle. And we need our hair. This is the locks. Showed you guys that earlier. All right, so here we go. All right, so what you want to do, the first step is you want to insert the crochet needle into the loop of the locks, like so. Now once it's attached, then you go ahead and you attach the hair, the natural hair, to the hook of the needle. Close that, pull it through the loop, and so yeah, the hair is now attached somewhat to the natural hair. The locks is attached to the natural hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert the crochet needle at the base of the hair right here, and then attach the end of the natural hair to the loop, close it to the latch hook rather, close it and pull it through. So yeah, so now it's actually secured, and the only step left is to just wrap that with the afro here to secure it properly. All right. So I'm just using my opposite hand to hold the hair in place while I wrap. And we start wrapping. Now to start off the locks or the wrapped portion, you want to ensure that you wrap it a couple times before you start wrapping down. So maybe 3 times. And then you start going downwards. And you want to continue doing that until you get to the end of the natural hair, where the hair is no longer exposed and you're only seeing the locks. All right, so we've covered all of the natural hair, as you can see. So you just start wrapping again in the opposite direction. So now you start wrapping upwards. And you just keep wrapping until you can wrap no longer. And just like that, it is done. And I just palm roll it just to, you know, get rid of any frizzes or flyaways. Yeah. Lock number 1. But I'm gonna come in and show you guys again, you know, at another point how to do it. But until then, I'm just gonna keep wrapping and we will revisit it later. All right, stay tuned for the finished look. So there you have it, you guys, our finished look. These locks are so neat. They are so real looking, and they will last a very long time using this technique. So thank you guys for watching. Again, be sure to subscribe if you have not yet done so, like the video, share the video, and stay tuned for more tutorials to come. All right, keep it locked. Natural Hair Dynamics signing out.